Hello guys, this is Coding Day. In this video we will learn how to link CSS file to HTML file. Let's start. In this video I am using Visual Studio Code. It is easy to write code. To download Visual Studio Code I will send link to description box below. Now, to link the file I will create two files. That is HTML file and CSS file. To create file, click on new file icon and first I will create HTML and second file as CSS file. Now, in HTML file I will write basic HTML. In the head tag I will write link rel style sheet. In the href I will write CSS file name, that is style.css. To check whether it is linked or not, now I will write some code on CSS file. Now open the HTML file in any browser. Now it is working. Now I'm going to wind up this session. We will meet soon in the next video. Please do like, share, comment the video and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.